In this video, you'll learn how to use AI tools to make eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, titles, and tags that can help your videos get more views and attention, all just in a single click. The link will be down in the description. This is an affiliate link that will help support the channel's grow. Now we'll explore this AI tools available in vidIQ that can assist your need in generating stunning thumbnails, optimizing your video titles, and selecting the best tags for better search result. After you have sign up, you will be landing on this page. So the first section here, it will ask for your idea. What I will do is to go to ChatGPT, and the free version will do the job just fine with the version 4.0 mini. So down here, I will type in, give me 10 YouTube video idea as an example in this video, and I will pick one out of this 10 idea. I will pick this reacting to trends as my topic idea, and I will copy it and go back to the vidIQ tab and paste it in the idea section and hit enter. And less than a minute, it will give you the result with title and the title ranking score. And the higher the score, the better for search result. Down under neat. Here is the description as well as a good amount of tags that it's generate for you. Here come your thumbnails, and in a minute, I will go over how to edit your thumbnail in a very convenient way, especially for beginners, which is a headache. But don't worry, I got you. Now down here is the hook to grab your viewer attention, and as well as your outline. And it is so cool that it gives you the CTA call to action to state at the end of your video, so you don't have to come up with one. How cool, right? Now down here is the section for script. It will help you generate a short script that include your keyword, and whatever in the outline that was generated will be in your script as well, but for some reason you don't like it. I have another solution for you toward the end of the video, as I promise. In the bonus tip, now last part is your voiceover, but I didn't like the way that it sounds. So I will use 11 Lab, which is an AI tool that helped me do my voiceover professionally, and I will do a separate video about how to do a voiceover and enhance your voice using AI tool. So stay tuned. So now you got everything that you needed, but it's not done yet. And here is something that I wanted to show you. Now on top of the title, there's a button called Regenerate, and what it does is to generate a different set from title to your script. So make sure you copy everything to your note if you think the first selection sounds good for you. Because once you hit Regenerate, it will erase the old one and you cannot go back to it. So keep it in mind. If you don't like the first selection that is given, you can always regenerate for more. Here's the catch. With the free plan, you're limited to creating 3 ideas a day, so be sure to choose carefully if you decide to stick with it. However, if you'd like to upgrade to the Pro version, it costs $19 per month that comes with unlimited of everything. And myself as a content creator, I've been using this tool to speed up my workflow so I can focus more on coming up with new ideas. I think this new AI tool would be really helpful for anyone just starting out. From what I've seen, many creators don't realize how important tags are. They just add a few random words and hope it works, but it helps YouTube know what your video is about and show it to the right viewers. If you use it right, more people can find your video. That's why it's important to use tags the right way. In this example, I'll edit a thumbnail to show a process you can use for any video. Regardless of the niche with AI tools, you can streamline content creation, save time, and boost visibility and engagement. If these designs don't fit, feel free to scroll back and regenerate. I'll choose this thumbnail with the text, "Can't believe it." Clicking on it will present you with 2 options, download or edit. If you choose to edit, you can do so directly from here, but with some limitations that I'll explain shortly. You also have the option to upload your own design and edit it here. The main limitation of this tool is that you can only add stickers and text with different styles, but you can't modify the design itself, which can be a bit frustrating. For this video, I'll keep it simple by adding text in a different style and a sticker to the design. As promised, this bonus tip offers a way for beginners on a tight budget to save on the resources. This tool is free to use but is limited to 3 downloads per day. Instead of investing in tools like Canva, which costs $12.99 per month for features like background removal and other pro features, you can use this tool for free, and it has almost everything Canva has to offer. Even if you decide to upgrade, it still costs a fraction of what Canva charges, making it a more budget-friendly option. The link will be down in the description. All right, let's give this tool a try. Click on Open AI Photo Editor, and it'll bring you to this Express option. From here, you can either upload your own design by clicking Open Image, or you can use the AI generator. But for this video, I'm just going to upload the design we made earlier. All right, now that you've uploaded your design, let's check out some of the free tools they offer. First, let's try the background removal and see how it works for this demo. Then I'll revert it so we can explore some other features. They also have an object removal, which is pretty cool if you need it for your project. Before we wrap things up, remember to crop it to YouTube thumbnail size. And before you download, you can choose between JPEG or PNG. I'm going with JPEG for this video. The next tool I want to talk about is Snappa. It's a bit more traditional and generic compared to Pixlr. Not quite as cool, but it works if you need to make some simple edits to your thumbnail. Snappa costs $10 a month, and honestly, I don't find it as powerful as Pixlr, but it's totally your choice. I'm just putting it out there so you can decide which one fits your needs best. And the link is down in the description too. Last but not least, scripting can be one of the most time-consuming parts for any video editor. If you're not happy with how vidIQ generates scripts, I've got two options for you. I've created two prompts you can use in ChatGPT. One to help you write a brand new script from scratch, and another to rewrite the script from vidIQ. You can find both prompts in the description in Google Doc. Okay, let's go ahead and copy prompt number 1. This prompt will create a full script based on the title you give it in ChatGPT. For this example, I use the topic React to Trends. As you can see, the script is more engaging and less robotic compared to what vidIQ produces, making it a great alternative if you prefer something that feels more natural. Now with prompt number 2, all it does is take the script you already have and make it longer. Just copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT, then go over to the vidIQ tab and grab the script it generated earlier. I'll use that for this part. As you can see, the revised script is longer, and you can easily add extra elements to make it fit your video better. All right, to wrap this up. This AI tools from vidIQ help create engaging thumbnails, titles, and tags. So much easier and helping you grow your channel to reach even more viewers. Meanwhile, you can save time and focus on creating awesome content. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. And until next time,